morning and welcome to Sierra News. I'm Arella Rosary Nahar and I will be your meteorologist for today. I will be telling you the 7-day forecast and everything else you need to know for the week of Christmas. We have jokes, news stories, and of course the weather. We will do our news stories first, then the jokes, and lastly weather forecast. Our news story. Countries are not doing enough to keep Earth's temperatures from rising to near disastrous levels. The commitments countries pledge, you know what that means. If you don't, I'm very sorry, to limit the climate crisis are noted. And they're enough to stave off record high temperatures. Delaying change any further will make it impossible to reach desired temperature goals. Greenhouse gases reached a record high in 2018 with no sign of peaking, according to the World Meteorological Organization report released Monday. Carbon dioxide levels reached 407.8 parts per million, which is a unit used to measure the level of a commitment in the air. At this current rate, temperatures are expected to rise 3.2 degrees Celsius, which is 5.8 degrees Fahrenheit, by 2100. The changes the UNEP suggests are extreme. To get Earth back on track to 1.5 degree goal, countries must multiply their commitment levels, or the levels at which they pledge to reduce their emissions, 5 times the current rates outlined in the Paris Accords. That means global greenhouse gas emissions must fall at least 7.6% every year to reduce 32 gigatons of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. The time for rapid and transformational change to limit global warming is now. Now for our joke. This is what it's about, getting sick. How do you prevent a summer cold? Anyone? You catch it in the wind said. Ha, it's funny. Ha, okay, now for our weather. For Sunday, December 22nd, will be mostly cloudy with a high of 47 degrees and a low of 25. There will be a 0% chance of rain in the forecast, but there would also be some cold fronts coming by. The weather for Monday is mostly cloudy as well, but with a high of 53 and a low of 31. There will also be a 0% chance of rain in the forecast. For Tuesday, it will also be mostly cloudy with a high of 54 degrees and a low of 34 degrees. The chances of rain are 0%, and it's going to be a little warmer in the week. Now for Christmas, it's going to be mostly cloudy week, with a high of 50 and a low of 30. There is a 0% chance of rain in the forecast. And then for Thursday, is also mostly cloudy. Just along with the clouds, with a high of 55 and a low of 33. There's also a 0% chance of rain in the forecast. And for Friday is also gonna be fair, so there's lots of clouds, but also lots of sun, with a high of 64 and a low of 34. There's also a 0% chance of rain in the forecast. And for Saturday is still going to be fair with a high of 64, but a little warmer this time, and a low of 40. There's still a 0% chance in the forecast today. That's all.